Come on.
Okay, I'm in it. I don't like that.
Hi guys, welcome to the show. I'm your host Christopher. This is my wife Elaine, and today we're doing why did my wife spend so much on makeup? So we went out and purchased $50 worth of makeup from the drugstore, and she's going to apply it to me and see how it goes.
Oh, dear God.
So, we're going to talk through everything that we got here, and I don't really know what it is. So
I'm no longer in it.
now you are. So what's this?
This is foundation.
Okay,
You can show it. Hold it up to the camera.
it's Elf.
Most of the stuff is Elf.
Yeah, we went to Walgreens is where we went, and decided to spend $50. We came out at $50.85 after taxes. This one's $2.10 natural, and apparently it matches.
Apparently. We're going to see how close we get.
We didn't buy brushes. She already has a ton of them.
I have a few.
We'll show.
So, how's the gaming going?
Oh, it's going good. And that link's in bio.
Don't panic.
I'm spotty.
Well, you got a lot of face, so I got a lot of spots on.
Twitch.tv/voodoo paramedic. The link will be in the bio. Stop by. We stream at 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. most days. I did have to shave for this. She fussed at me yesterday. We did a makeup transition on TikTok yesterday too, but that was all with her makeup. It was more than $50.
A little bit.
It cost about $1,000 to make this face look good.
It did not.
Only $800.
No, don't say stuff like that. That's not true. You gotta stop squinting so much. You act like I'm murdering you.
It feels like a dog's tongue is licking me.
Oh my God. That's the softest brush I have.
Give you all a little bit of break from the vlog. It's going well though.
Put it down on your neck, on your ears. Because you're a man, it has to match.
No. This one doesn't feel gloopy.
Now, yesterday's was gloopy because it was a different type of foundation.
Oh. What's the difference?
Well, that's a satin finish with a medium coverage. Yesterday's was a full coverage. You're about to be in your daddy's video. She's like, no, I'm not.
Everybody, that's Bug, better known as Allison. Child number 2.
She's, there it is.
Hello.
Look at all that coverage. Does it look covered medium?
Yeah.
Make ravioli.
Well, then you're gonna have to pause that so she can make her thing.
I got hungry.
Anyway, sorry about that. So I'm just gonna do like right next to your lashes. That way it's not overly exaggerated.
Okay.
That and your eyelids are really wrinkled from where you're squinting. So does that feel creamy?
No.
Okay, open your eyes.
Feels like pencil.
That's not bad. That's not too bad. I was honestly expecting worse. Okay, we'll give your eye a second.
Is that eye done?
Yeah.
gorgeous. I'm ready for my close-up, Mr. DeMille.
2 points if you can tell me what movie that's from.
Don't know.
I've
Oh,
never
you're
heard-
talking about Mrs. Doubtfire.
But I believe that it originated somewhere else.
Yes.
Whoop. You were killing this eyeliner.
But I'm not wrinkling my eyes. You watch, I'm gonna practice with this one. I'm gonna be able to put it on myself. I know mascara is the one where you go
Oh,
to put it on.
you don't. You don't have to do that.
Gotta open your mouth.
Well, some people do. I'm weird and just stand there. Like I'm gonna commit eye murder.
Size of boots.
Boots are heavy, but they're
Oh, I think that's all we got left.
mascara and lipstick. And
Oh,
then you're
I
done.
forgot. I forgot we had lipstick. What's our lipstick?
It's a lip lacquer.
Also Elf. So if you're trying to stay in a $50 price range, Elf is the way to go.
And it's actually pretty good stuff.
It is decent stuff. Of course, I can't compare it to much, but... Oh, we're ready.
Oh, Mama, don't make that face. Hang on, I gotta fix your eyeliner on this eye.
Oh, the mascara is the one that I'm not supposed to blink, right?
Correct. Yeah, let's not have the same mishap that we had yesterday, shall we?
Hopefully it doesn't feel gloopy.
It's going to. It's mascara. That's what mascara does. So normally I would curl my eyelashes, like with the little curler, but you'll panic. So
Not panic. I used
So-
to like messing with that. Mom had one. I was like,
yeah, but you never. Okay. We didn't do brows because it wasn't within the $50 limit.
oh, okay. Yeah,
And-
they're supposed to be sisters, not twins. I learned that yesterday too.
Yeah. Still don't know what that means though, do you?
They're not supposed to be identical.
Right, but they're supposed to look similar.
Yeah.
Okay. Open your eye. Your look would look really good with fake lash.
Gotta dry it so I don't get mascara on my lower eyelid.
Well, don't do like you did yesterday and you were like, wham, 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 wham. With your eyes, you can't do that. You can blink, just don't force it.
Okay.
You were like, yesterday.
I guess because it's drying out my contacts. Ow. I don't think you're supposed to poke my eyeball with it.
I didn't.
You did.
I got really close to the lash line. Oh my god. Dobby does the same thing every time I put on her makeup.
I literally have black lines on my contact.
Well, this is what it looks like. I gotta get that. It's gotta dry.
I was just making sure that, did I get it under my eye again?
Yeah, you did.
Because you poked my eyeball.
I didn't poke your eyeball. I'll get it in a minute. It needs to dry. All right, look up. Even bottom lashes be like, bam. Okay, gotta let it dry. While it's drying, let's do your lips. So, I don't know that you're gonna like this, but this is all I could find in the $50 range. There's that face.
It feels like chewing gum.
What?
It feels like chewing gum.
It's a lip gloss.
You know how when you get your gum stuck to your lip, like when you blow a bubble.
Yeah.
That's what it feels like.
Well, do this. Do it again.
Yeah, out of all the products, I don't like this one.
Well, you don't like any lipstick. You barely wear chapstick. Okay, so. God, that face. Okay. Okay, do me a favor. Open your mouth. Close. There you go.
Don't buy this. Feels like chewing gum on your lips.
Okay, let's fix your under eye since you. I'm gonna scrape your eye again. Look up.
Hey, my thing has one of them on it.
What thing? No, honey, it's got a smudger.
Oh, well, what the hell's it for?
So a smudger will make the line look not like a line, like a shade.
Oh, okay.
Does that make sense?
We're dermabrasing my eyeballs.
We are not.
Oh, wait, let's see what it looks like.
You gonna look?
I'm gonna look at what I did to my eye. I don't
just-
see nothing.
I just took it off.
Oh. I forgot I had a contact.
Look up. Okay. You don't have a setting spray, so.
Feels set to me.
I don't want, I've been in it enough.
Overall, how was the experience?
I don't know.
Putting on makeup again?
I put on makeup all the time, so.
But how was it putting it on me?
Well, you look very pretty. But it was fun.
Good.
It was fun.
We'll try this again. Don't buy this. Thank you all for tuning in.